Hi, Dave McIntosh here, enjoying spring and all that it has to offer. Spring is a wonderful time of year. In my last video, we talked about the many flowers that we enjoy at this time of year. But in this video, I want to talk about the birds. Now, in this part of Ontario, there are birds that stay all winter long. The cardinals and the woodpeckers, and there are water birds like ducks and geese that find open water on the St. Clair River to stay all winter long. But we really enjoy spring when we get the migrating birds traveling from the south coming through this area. A lot of birds come from the south, traveling north, either to stay here and nest or on further north to their nesting ground. And they just stop over here for a little while for a rest. Now, Point Pelee is a favorite place to go and see birds. But here in Sarnia, there's a park, Canatara Park, that is a favorite stopping spot for warblers and migrating birds. One of the most common birds around here is the robin, and it is often the first to arrive in the spring. We continue to enjoy the cardinals and the woodpeckers, but the warblers are one of the favorite for birders because of their many colors and because there are so many of them. It is wonderful to get out in the woods and enjoy the new discoveries and the lifers. So let's talk here about the warblers. I'm going to start off with the yellow-rumped warbler, as it is easy to identify because of its yellow rump, and it is quite common around here. The palm warbler is also plentiful this year. Others that are fairly easy to find are the yellow warbler, the myrtle warbler, the magnolia warbler, and the Canada warbler. As you can see, a number of the warblers feature yellow in their wardrobe, but not all of them, and some aren't as easy to find around here, though they are around. The black and white warbler, Wilson's warbler, babe-breasted warbler, chestnut-sided warbler, black-throated blue warbler. There are others that seem to be related, but not called warblers, like the American redstart, the scarlet tanager, warbling vireo, great crested flycatcher, These are just a few of the many warblers that can be seen in southwestern Ontario in the spring. In the middle of June, most of the migration is done, and we get to enjoy those that make their home here in southern Ontario for the summer. There are many other birds that come through this area, and we enjoy them all. The herons and the woodpeckers and cardinals are all a delight to see. But we enjoy so much the warblers, and we get the best views of them in the spring. And we don't see them again until the fall migration, when they head south for their winter home. How about setting aside some time this spring to get out and enjoy the warblers? I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.